being somebody who's non-white myself, I would have wanted somebody with a few more, I don't know, few more scruples probably, being a bit more left-leaning maybe, especially coming from a minority and having suffered certain things. You would want somebody to understand that, and I feel like he doesn't. I might be wrong. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a proud feeling as an Indian. So I like him. If he become a Prime Minister of UK, it's good. It's good for UK economy as well.
Oh, non-white or white doesn't make any difference because he is born in England and he's born and brought up here only. So I don't think so there is any difference. And when we talk about England, I think is the only country who never, done racism with anybody. So I don't think so. We should go for the deserving candidate rather than looking for white or non-white.